Hello traders, good evening. This is Ali Abbas, your host at Stock Daddy 41. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do like, share and subscribe to the video. Jumping on to the post-market analysis right away. It opened gap down, tried to shoot up, and a 920 candle finished over here around 52,600. Now the difference between VWAP and the 920 closing was quite a lot. It was more than 300 points. So I decided to go with the 920 closing, and that was at 52,500, 600 type. So the premiums on both were above 400. Now on the call side, before I start about explaining the indicator levels, so what I do is I always click over here and add an alert, and once the alert comes up, as you can see, two alerts came over here. Both were on the put side. One second, let me just show you. Yeah, both were on the put side. This was at 9:55, then 10:37 for reaching the target, and then at 3:05, and then 3:20 for closing the trade. So the alerts come accordingly. Now on the call side, there was no alert. I was looking for a premium above 400. So 920 closed above 400, and I was watching it the whole day. There was no indicator as such, no alert. On the put trade, what happened today was 9:55 over here. This trade happened where the entry was at 530. The first target was 488, second target was 445, the third target was 360. And as you can see, it was just a one-way movement and all the targets are met quickly. And trading stop loss, I'll just show that in the Excel sheet a little later. Now, since this movement was already done, I saw no point on doing another trade because this was a bumper move where it from 530, it came all the way down to 360 and more. So I'll just show you in a moment where the stop losses were shifted. Then there was a buy signal over here at 305, but after 3 o'clock trading and trying to scalp something is very dangerous, as it can just knock out in loss over here. So nothing happened on this side, and that is the trade for today. A very good bumper move, a very good way to end the week. So let's see if I have crossed 20% as I wanted to. So traders, a 7 trade of this week and this month. So Friday, 5th of July, 9:50. The sell order came on 52,500 at the entry of 530. The first target was 488. We booked 42 points. Second target 445. We booked 85 points. 360 was the third target, and it went smoothly to that third target. And after that, after trading the stop loss, it was knocked out at 288. So 242 points collected over there. Overall 539 points, and the 20% I wanted to achieve, I actually got through 32.63%. That is incredible. The same number of lots I've been using for the sell side, and now we have gone to 32%, and this is only the first week. There's still 3 more weeks to go, and this is an amazing profit, amazing progress. I'm really happy to see this, and if you'd like to know more about this indicator and how you can use it, please do email me on stockdaddy41@gmail.com, or you can message me on the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Thank you.